Did you know that anyone can be hypnotized once they can concentrate and follow instructions? So, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to place your hand out in front of you, and then place your other hand out in front of you. And then what I want you to do is I want you to close your eyes for a moment, and I want you to count from number 4 up to number 8 in your mind. Now, was that easy? There you go. You followed instructions and you could concentrate. So, you are a perfect candidate for hypnosis. Now, can anybody be hypnotized against their will? Of course not. Because if you could be hypnotized against your will, there would be no need for prisons. We could just get every person who has ever committed a crime and hypnotize them into being good citizens.